So basically, I got noticing yesterday when I edited my video, I think at first crash it ripped my rudder down to about here because I could see a gap of light on it. But yeah, I just foam tacked it back together like a couple of videos on YouTube showed. And put a small thin layer on this side and got a Q-tip and wiped it in on the inside here and let it dry overnight. Looks like it's gonna be all right. Foam tack hinge, amazing. Ooh, the buzzards. Yeah, I wanted to get through my other 3 batteries. I didn't get to fly yesterday. I'm just getting used to the plane and figuring out maneuvers. Guess I better practice my hovers up top. Because evidently I'll drag the tail and cartwheel it. Let's try another inverted flat spin. Looks so cool. And then bigger barn door ailerons. And that inverted circle into a knife edge. Knife edge figure 8 maybe. So this is the same pretty much power setup as my off hobby. I may order me a Cracky XL and put those electronics in it. Shot waterfall.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah, I got a little bit too big for my britches yesterday. But I could do better than what I did. After watching videos on YouTube and got really confident. Yeah, I guess I better try approach so they don't overshoot my battery. Gotta make it over that little fence, it's awful close. I come over it now. Barely. Go around. Start a little lower maybe. Can't go too low, got trees. There's a gap right there. Perfect. Yeah, I kind of like this plane. I didn't know about these twisted hobbies, but I'm beginning to like it. It's gonna help my 3D flying progression out tremendously.